Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR. I'm here on the weekly time frame, and yeah, the market is struggling up here. Yeah, market is struggling. We have a pullback that is getting quite extended, especially compared to all the pullbacks we had since the October 2022 low. I mean, don't get me wrong, we had sharp pullbacks before, but that was kind of in 2021 into the bear market lows of crypto. And then also 2008, but that was before the crypto time. So this here is really when strategy started to correlate with cryptos a bit. And for now, I mean, what we have up there is a potential fifth wave that could be unfolding. But I haven't really seen much upside momentum at the moment from the lows. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Key support here and key invalidation point for a direct upside move is $234. Please note that once we break below 234, it becomes more probable that we're in a larger wave 4 correction. Yeah, a larger correction. I'm not saying that we go all the way down to $22, but I think in a crypto bear market, strategy will suffer a lot, and we will see strategy below $100. I mean, that's my view. I could be wrong about that, but it is likely because an ideal target for a fourth wave, an ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement, and it also needs to have some sort of same proportions as the wave 2. Now, don't get me wrong, if we push higher, then this support area is not, it's not fixed yet. It's not like a target. It's only there for your orientation. So if we push higher, you see this support area will move up with the price. So it's a bit too early to confirm a top. I would still prefer higher prices, one more high, whether that's one more high in this fifth wave of an even larger wave 1, or one more high in the orange scenario on the larger time frame here, is not so important in the short term. The main focus at the moment is on whether MicroStrategy, or strategy rather, can grind higher and hold the $234 level. Now, in the very short term, I think I mentioned it over the last few days in the updates, the price is currently holding a micro support area up here. So you see here this $234 level. It's actually a bit more accurate here because this is a smaller time frame, $224, yeah. It's actually a support zone down there. I mean, it's between these two swing lows there from April and February. And currently, we're holding above Fibonacci support in a range. You see, I've even added some trend lines here. It looks a little bit like a triangle pattern. And so I'm just watching if the bulls can generate some upside momentum from here. This is we basically have a range. And then in the range, we have Fibonacci support and resistance. So therefore, there is another chance here for the bulls to find support. I'm not convinced yet. The chart looks weak in the short term. Yesterday, I was watching a small triangle form there, but it looks like it might be breaking to the downside. So there is no strength. What we need to see is basically, ideally now, in the next step, a break above the $316.50 level. I have no reliable short-term setup or anything. What I can tell you is, I mean, we can add some micro support levels, but it's obviously it's not based on a clear pattern. I mean, this looks a bit like a 5-wave move up. It is possible that we find some support here, and it could be in this region between $292 and $297. But it's basically now or never. If we can't find support here, then at the very least, this B wave will reset lower, and we're likely going to test $271. That's the update on strategy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our other channels as well and our membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.